Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and the LC200 we're looking at here at the Lifestyle Kit has just come in, 50,000 kilometres all the way around Australia. It's been around twice. Josh Wilson. So Josh, you did, tell us about your trip. How many kilometres did you do?
Yeah, I'd say circa 50,000 Ks and across all the terrain you could ever think about, including the Gib when it was the ruts were a foot high. But yeah, we gave it a good flogging, mate. So that's your tester. This stuff works, I can tell you, so much so I'm ripping it out, going to sell the 200, do an upgrade and keep it. So
yeah, really good. And look, we've just gone through it here now. It's just a few superficial marks, a couple of corners here, things like that, but otherwise the drawers didn't miss a treat.
No, truly I'm not trying to piss in your pocket, mate, but it's just a really good product. I want to use it again, so yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
So, you know, I've had this stuff, our dilemma was using this is the lightweight composite board.
Okay.
And so the worry with this is it might pull out, you know, because we don't use any screws. You know, these are all bolted through.
Yep.
And they're it's a compression fit when we do it. That seems to have really worked. You've got no holes flogged out, nothing here.
I'm airborne in that thing doing 100 Ks an hour.
Yeah.
It's held on, like. There's your proof. Like, you can talk about it until the cows come home, but I've actually done it, so I can tell you it works.
Very good. Well, Josh, thank you very much, and I appreciate the interview. Thank you.
Good
Bye.
stuff, mate.
Well, that was our interview with Josh, who didn't want to appear on film, but I have to say, how good's that?